After finishing the models builder step, we can now proceed to the creation of the final models in order to make our aligners. So the first thing that we can do is to remove some material, because in order to save material when we will print the object, the software offers the option to remove the extra parts of the model. In particular, we have two different tools. One, the tool that I'm using now to design a trimming line, and in this way you can quickly select which is the important part of the model and which is the part to be removed. I need to do it just for one model, and the software will apply to all the other models. Another tool is the cutting with a plane. So basically the software offers the option to cut quickly a part of the model just using a cutting plane. You can see here, okay, that all the models have been cutted correctly. And now we are ready to export our model. If we want, we can also put a label on the model itself. So I will select the first model of the sequence. I will click on the label, and I can just now put a label on my model. I can click here. Just if I want, I can put a label on the base, for example. The label can be just a number, like in this case. I can also put a prefix if I want. And pressing next, the software will generate my labels. Consider that the roots will be not exported during the exporting stage. So you see the label will be here. The label can be also negative. In this case, I need to go back again and change, you see the option. Here I can select as a negative. And then I'm ready for the exporting procedure. I will just click here, select transition models. Finally, I will select my destination folder. For example, I can select this one. And pressing OK, I will export my case in the selected folder. So at the end of this procedure, we will be ready to print the models and then proceed with the thermoforming. Consider that we can also export some other information from the software. In particular, if we want, we can export a PDF report showing in a very syntactic way everything about our case. So in this way, or otherwise, we can export also a video of our case, and this is a really powerful tool for the communication between lab and doctor. Anyway, we have finished our exportation, and at this point we can start, if you have any question, discussion about what we have seen during this presentation. Thank you so much for your time.